Hey there, welcome to CodeChef. Today we are going to be discussing the project Hangman from our course Python Projects for Beginners. So let's see how this works. So I think we know how Hangman works. Basically there'll be a secret word which you have to guess letter by letter. And in this particular version of Hangman, what we will be doing is we will have the number of guesses as the number of letters in the secret word. So let's see how our end product should be. So you can see over here I have guessed it wrong. I had 11 guesses and since I've guessed it wrong, at last I've lost. And this was the word given. So let's give an overview of how the game of Hangman works. So basically the length of, as I told before, the length of the word will be the number of chances the user gets. For every guess, whether your guess is correct or incorrect, your number of chances will reduce by 1. And for every guess you should display the following information. If the guess is correct, you should display the letter at its proper position. If it's wrong, you have to tell the user, okay, you're given a wrong letter, and move on. So this is the condition for winning this game. If all the letters are guessed correctly, and if all the chances are not yet 0, that is, let's say I have 1 chance left and I've gotten all the letters properly, then I have won the game, or else I have lost. So let's now look into the flow of this particular project. So first, obviously, we need to have a list of words out of which we can choose a secret word. And out of this list, a random word will be selected by Python. And we need to obviously accept the user input and display the number of guesses remaining. So basically, first, our word will have full of gaps. That is, it will be filled by dash, 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 dash. And based on each guessed character, as I told previously, if the letter is proper, it will be filled in its proper place. If it's not present, you should print out, okay, wrong guess. As I told previously, our word will be filled with blanks, and we are going to check whether at the end of all guesses there are still blanks. So even if one blank is present, then the user has lost. In case at the end of all guesses no blanks are present, then the user has won. So in the first subtask of the Hangman project, we will be creating the list of words, let's say a small list, and choosing them at random. So to show how we can choose the words at random from a list, we're going to be doing this particular subtask. So first we will import the time and random modules, and then in the choose word function we will be first initializing a list of words out of which Python will choose one at random, and then we're going to return the random.choice function applied to this particular list. This will return one random word to wherever it's called, and in the main function we will take name as an input from the user, and then we're going to simply print out a simple hello name typed in the Hangman. And then the word returned over here from this function is going to be stored in this word variable, and then we're going to call the choose word function, and the value returned here is stored in word variable, and then we're going to just simply print out the word chosen. So let's say I give my name as Gururaj. So yeah, it has chosen learning for now. So you can see it has passed the test case.